Hello everyone, Patrick Angel here, and today we're going to be talking about how to build a computer in this 5-part series. So, first of all, this video series is for someone who is a complete noob at this, or they have already built their computer, but they don't know how to troubleshoot it, or they know how to build a computer, but they don't know how to budget their money properly, where to get the parts at, and or troubleshooting, like I said. So, in this 5-part series, first of all, we're starting off with the introduction. And the second part, we're going to be talking about PC Part Picker. In the third part, we're going to be talking about the PC Building Simulator. The fourth one, we're going to be doing some benchmarks. And the fifth one, we're going to be talking about basic troubleshooting processes. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you the tools that we'll be using. So this is PC Building Simulator, and when we get to the second part, you can follow along with me, and I will show you basically how to build a computer in this little simulator. And the first one that we'll be using, the third part we'll be using the PC Building Simulator, and the second part we'll be using PC Part Picker. Now with PC Part Picker, it basically gives you the best prices from different manufacturers, and it combines them all together at the bottom. Now the cool thing about this, let me go and show you a little demonstration. You can choose the different companies, what family they come from, like Skylake, stuff like that for i7s. The socket, that's also very important. I'll get to that when we start going into the building simulator. Integrated graphics, I'll get to that as well. Cores, clock speeds, stuff like that. Power withdrawal. Yeah. So that's basically what PC Part Picker does. And you can just choose all this different stuff right here, and it'll come up at the bottom. Here, I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like when you, let's say you want an i7 8700K. It shows Amazon, and I believe you can click that link. It'll take you straight to it. Now the cool thing about PC Part Picker is you can buy all of the parts from here, and it'll automatically go through with the other websites. So, let's see here. It'll also show you the other prices as well. As you can see, Amazon is the cheapest, but that's because it's on Prime, I think. Or that might just be the shipping. But also, one thing you have to look out for is the Newegg stuff. Some of them have like they have like this special thing with Newegg where you'll get like a cheaper price. Obviously, you won't get that when you don't have their premium stuff. So, yeah, Premiere, stuff like that. But yeah. So that's it for the first part, and I'll see you guys on the second part. Have a good one.